LANAP is a laser-assisted gum surgery, which is a very minimally invasive way of treating periodontal disease. It requires no cutting, it requires no suturing, it has minimal recovery time. It's very, very simple. When we do this procedure, not only we don't cut the gum tissue, but also we will regenerate the bone and regenerate the gum attachment. So the patient will get really nice healing from this process compared to the traditional gum surgery. So a good candidate for LANAP procedure is who has periodontal disease that is more than what we can achieve with scaling and root planing, which is the deep cleaning. So any pocket depth that is more than 6 millimeters, we always treat with LANAP. The laser beam has this depth of penetration that goes 5 millimeters beyond the pocket. So the tiny little fiber optic of laser will go inside the gum tissue. All of that surrounding gum tissue will become sterilized because the laser has a very specific wavelength that targets that bacteria specifically, and it will kill the bacteria inside the cells without harming the cell. Once it disinfects the gum tissue, then we switch the frequency of the laser, and now the laser will target the hemoglobin in the blood that creates this sticky membrane for the stem cells to come and create new bone and gum tissue in that sterile environment that we created, and that's how we get the bone regeneration. The procedure usually takes between 1 to 2 hours depending on how many quadrants the patient needs to do. There's no downtime, but for a full mouth LANAP, we usually have a couple of days that the patient is a little sore. In terms of going to the work, they can go to the work the next day. There's two types of results. There's this immediate result. They get gum shrinkage and their pockets will go down and the gum becomes more firm and more healthy. Then they will see that bone regeneration process throughout years. Gradually the bone is coming back. It's an incredible tool that we have to offer, and there's nothing comparable to it, so it's great.